at day 4 of the Rose Parade Rally, and today we're at the Huntington Library and Gardens, home to a Gutenberg Bible and the original Blue Boy painting. Today we're standing appropriately in the Rose Garden. Behind me is the Japanese Tea Garden, one of 16 specialty gardens here at the Huntington Library and Gardens.
It's a great feeling to be out here. The flowers, the roses, and it's just fantastic.
Garden today was part of our fantasy RV tour for the whole Rose Tour parade, and yeah, my wife had a great time. My mother's Japanese, so obviously I was very interested in Japanese gardens. So we made our way to the Japanese garden, saw that. Then we made our way to the Chinese garden, and then we stopped for a little bite to eat. I made my way down to the desert garden. So I spent most of my time with my wife outdoors. I look at this place as some place that probably takes 2 days, right? 1 day inside and 1 day outside. And so I hope someday I can come back and do just that, spend a whole day outside, a whole day inside, kind of taking the whole experience, because I feel like today all I got was the taste of it. I didn't get to experience the whole thing. What I did experience was wonderful.